Basic English greeting phrases. Yo. Hi. Hey. Hiya. Howdy. Howdy. Hello. Good day. Hi there. Hey there. What's up? How's life? What's new? What's new? Good night. How are you? Good evening. Good morning. How's your day? How's your job? How's it going? How's it going? Good afternoon. How's your week? How's your work? What's the word? Nice to see you. How's your night? Long time no see. How's everything? What's happening? Nice to meet you. How's the weather? How's your career? How's your health? How's your family? How have you been? How's your morning? How's your weekend? How's your evening? How's your day going? How's your afternoon? It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you.